everyone, and welcome to the Breakdown How-To. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to download and install Galacticraft in Minecraft 1.12.2. But before we get on into the video, I want to remind you about game servers. You can get an awesome Minecraft server for just $1 per month over there. Just go to the breakdown.xyz/MC server. First link down below, and it is awesome. Check it out. You'll like it. We use them for all of our Minecraft servers, and they really are the best around. But let's get on into the video. So, first things first, before we can actually install or download even Galacticraft, we need to download Forge. You can do that by going to the second link down below. The first link will get you the awesome Minecraft server. Second link takes you to the breakdown.xyz/Forge here, which is going to allow us to download Forge. Just scroll down till you see the big green download Forge button. Click that and it will take us off to MinecraftForge.net. We then want to find the 1.12.2 version of Forge. As you can see, for me, it's already selected. If it's not for you, it's going to be over here. Just make sure you have it selected by clicking on it, right? Pretty simple stuff. Once you've got 1.12.2 selected, go under Download Latest and click Installer right there. It will now take us off to Add Focus, where you don't want to click anything on this page. Click absolutely nothing on this page except the red skip button in the top right when it appears. Once you've clicked that, it will download Forge, where we want to make sure it starts with Forge and ends with .jar. Ours does, so we can go ahead and click Keep. It's been downloaded by millions of people. I promise Forge is safe. We can now download Galacticraft. So to do that, go to the third link down below and it will take you here where we can scroll down until we see Minecraft version. Again, we want to make sure 1.12.2 is selected. It is for me. If it's not for you, select it. And then we want to download all three of these things. So we want to download Galacticraft Core, right, by clicking on that, and then it will download. And then we want to click on Galacticraft Planets. And then we want to click on McDoodle's Core, or McDoodle Core here. You can click latest on all of these, by the way, and that'll be perfectly fine. Now, if we come back over here to these, we have to wait the actual 6 seconds on each page. So this is going to take me a second, and I will jump cut it to when they're all done. So Galacticraft Core is done here, so we can go ahead and click download there, and it will download. Bada bing, bada boom. There it is. We want to keep this file. I promise it's safe. Galacticraft is a very popular mod, downloaded by millions of people. We then want to do this on Galacticraft Planets as well. We want to keep that file. And then we need to do it on the McDoodle Core, which is, again, required to run Galacticraft and Galacticraft Planets. Come on, there we go. That one finished and then made me wait again. That was really weird. But now, if we minimize our browser, we have 4 things on our desktop. Forge and all the Galacticraft mods. Galacticraft Planets, Galacticraft itself, and McDoodle Core required to run both of those. We want to start off here with Forge. To do that, just right-click on it, go to Open With, Java TM Platform SC Binary, then click on Install Client, and click OK. It will now go through, download some stuff, and woohoo, successfully installed Client Profile Forge. Click OK there, and then we can drag this Forge profile to the side. Now, by the way, if these aren't on your desktop, they're probably in your Downloads folder, so just go over there and grab them. But let's get Galacticraft installed. To do that, the Windows key on your keyboard and R at the exact same time. Type in %appdata %appdata%, just like that, and click OK. It will then open up the roaming folder where we want to go into .minecraft. You should then have a mods folder in there, but if you don't worry, don't freak out. Just create a new one. Right-click, create a new right down here, and then folder. Then we want to title this folder mods, M-O-D-S, all lowercase, exactly like that. And then we want to open up our newly created mods folder. Into it, we want to drag all 3 of our Galacticraft mods. Galacticraft itself, Galacticraft Planets, and then McDoodle Core. Drag and drop all of those over and in, and then we can go and open up the Minecraft launcher. While we're doing that, I want to remind you guys to subscribe to the channel and like the video for awesome content exactly like this. It really does help us out, help the channel grow. We really appreciate it. Nevertheless, we need to make sure we've got the correct version of Forge selected. To do that, hit the little green arrow here next to the play button and click on Forge. You should then be able to click play and it should work. If it doesn't, no worries. Come back here to the Minecraft launcher exactly like this. Go over into launch options right here and then go into the Forge profile right there. Now you want to click the drop down box next to version and scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now, find the 1.12.2 version of Forge and click that. But Nick, what if you have multiple ones like this? Well, no worries. Find the one that's the most recent. For example, the one ending in .262 or .2654 is a lot newer than .2611. So we want to go with the newest one there. Then click Save, come back over to News, and then make sure the Forge profile is selected and click Play. Woo! That was quite a bit there. But we're done now. It is installed. I will meet you guys on the Minecraft main menu with Galacticraft loaded up. Once you're on the Minecraft main menu, seeing if Galacticraft is installed is pretty easy. Just go over here to your mods folder right there. Scroll down and you should have all of these mods. McDoodle Core, Galacticraft, and Galacticraft Planets. If you do, it's installed. We can also jump into single player here. I'm going to have an error. That's fine. You won't have that error. That's just because I installed a mod and then deleted it, and it didn't like that. But now, Galacticraft is installed, and we can go in here and see all of the awesome flippin' stuff that it adds. Look at this, tier 3 rocket. Well, let me place it down anywhere. No, but look at that. That is freaking crazy. Haha! That's awesome. But nevertheless, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you could please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Your subscriptions really do help us out. We are growing a community over here trying to build a new channel, so we really do appreciate it. Like the video and comment down below if this worked or if it didn't. Let us know. We will be more than happy to help you out in any way we can to make sure it does. I'm Nick. This has been the Breakdown How To, and I am out, guys. Peace.